Let's go, everyone. Today, super excited to be unboxing this Balenciaga. It's like a men's money bag, money clip thing. Or no, it's men's money bag. This is the cash long coin card holder in black. So yeah, totally forgot what this was. Sorry about that. Comes in nice packaging. Ooh. Ooh. Nice little bag. Let's check out what's in here. Anything else in here? No. It's just a card. So this is also just a card. Sorry for wasting your time there. All right, on to the good stuff. So it comes in a nice bag. And let's check it out. Wow. Wow. All the ballers in poker wear Balenciaga, you know, so gotta store the poker money in this guy. Cool zipper for the lucky poker money, lucky poker chips. Yeah, I'll be bringing this to Vegas this year for the WSOP. Check it out. Okay, cool. Just some holders. Here's where you put your credit cards. Got a little logo, another card thing. Yeah, overall very nice. Like how it comes in this bag. That's what it looks like in there. And yeah, overall cool. Money coin bag. Cool. Let me know what you guys think about this in the comment section below. Hope you're all doing well, and I'll catch you all for the next unboxing video. Later.